One of these things is not like the other. You're built different. Now remember, I'm a teacher, not a speaker. You're built different. One of these things are not like the others. I like to ask my students towards the beginning of the school year as a teacher, are you a genius? And when I ask that question, one or two of them may raise their hands. And then I stop and I look around and I said, if you are gifted in art, if you are gifted in conversation, if you are gifted in serving, if you are gifted in writing, guess what? You're a genius. There's different types of genius. And I go on and give more and more examples. And I start to break down how there are different types of genius because you're built different. And after I take time to go over it, I then ask my students again, are you a genius? And I see almost all the hands, if not all the hands, go up because you're a genius. So I'm gonna say the same thing to you. You're a genius. You're just built different. We're built different. I love learning about animals. When I was younger, I wanted to be a zoologist, and there's a seal known as an elephant seal. One thing that you may not know about seals, they have more blood in their body than any other animals. I'm not referring to the actual measurement, the liquid measurement of blood, but I'm saying if we look at the size of the seal and the amount of blood it has compared to other animals, it has significantly more blood than any other animal. It's built different. So why am I talking about the amount of blood in a seal? Because seals also hold their breath underwater longer than almost any other animal found on Earth. Elephant seals have been observed holding their breath for almost 2 hours. How is that possible? Well, you see, blood stores and it carries oxygen. So just think about it. The more blood it has, the more oxygen it's able to hold. Not only that, it has a lot of protein in its muscle, and there's something known as myoglobin, which is a protein that stores oxygen within the muscle of a seal. So you see, there's a high concentration of oxygen within a seal. They also can conserve oxygen by slowing down their heart rate. They have the ability to lower their heart rate, decrease it between 50 to 80%. That means a heart rate for them, which is typically 75 to 125 beats per minute, can be slowed all the way down to 4 to 6 heartbeats per minute. They are just built different. They have more blood, but they're also able to contain more oxygen in their body. Seals have been recorded diving down over 5,000 feet. Seals are built different, just like you're built different. Because you're a genius. There's different types of genius. Instead of us looking around and thinking we're unique or we're deficient or we're missing something, I want you to know that your uniqueness is what makes you great. Your uniqueness is what sets you apart. Your uniqueness is what makes you a genius because you're just built different. Now remember, I'm a teacher, not a speaker, and I want you to have an amazing day.